The doctor of emergency room have called me that there is accidental patient came to the emergency room with nasal bleeding, massive nasal bleeding, and he came to the emergency room conscious with Glasgow Coma Scale 4-5-6. After that, the doctor of emergency room performed IV line and then bring the patient to the radiology room to perform X-ray of skull and then CT scan of head. After 1 hour, the patient is unconscious. Glasgow Coma Scale is 3-4-5 with still massive bleeding from the nasal and from mouth. So, don't do CT scan, don't do X-ray of skull. The first time, if there is patient come to the emergency with nasal bleeding, secure airway and make sure that the cervical is safe. Perform cervical collar. Don't do CT scan and X-ray at the first time he came to the emergency. Secure airway, secure airway, secure airway. Okay? Secure airway by do intubation. After that, you must control the bleeding. If there is bleeding from the nasal, you can perform tampon to the nasal and you check the palatum of durum. If there is rupture, a fracture of palatum durum, you can take the tampon in the mouth. So if there is patient trauma with massive trauma bleeding, the first time you must activate hospital trauma team prior to patient arrival. And second, team should have a designated trauma team leader, at least a general surgeon and anesthesiologist. After that, you receive the patient in emergency room, give the patient oxygen, and then you can do primary survey. Because there is trauma in the head, you must protect the cervical with cervical collar. After that, you must take the blood and then you send to the blood bank and start the fluid resuscitation. Because if patient failure respond after we give the crystalloid, this is clue that the patient need immediate definitive intervention. If the patient stable, you can perform CT scan, you can perform thorax X-ray, you can perform X-ray of the head. The conclusion, how to manage massive blood loss in the trauma is always remember A, B, C, D. Thank you and see you again. Dah, assalamualaikum.
Jadi ada keadaan terkadang kita tuh harus telepon dokternya dulu, dokter spesialisnya dulu, daripada kita melakukan pemeriksaan lain. Jadi kalau seperti masih bleeding pada nasal atau masih bleeding pada fraktur maksila atau ada luka tusuk atau ada luka tembak, itu sebaiknya dokter spesialis bedahnya di-call terlebih dahulu.
Jadi, jika datang pasien ke UGD dengan
perdarahan yang profus dari hidung, dari mulut, sangat banyak, biasanya bercampur makanan. Itu hati-hati, kita harus secure airway. Call anestesi atau penata anestesi untuk minta bantuan, segera dilakukan intubasi. Jangan dibawa ke ruang radiologi atau untuk melakukan CT scan atau melakukan foto dada. Tetap yang harus kita ingat, secure airway, kemudian kontrol bleedingnya. Setelah intubasi, pasang tampon di hidung, atau kalau perlu pasang tampon yang banyak di dalam mulut. Kan pasien sudah terintubasi, jadi aman untuk melakukan hal itu. Setelah itu segera dilakukan transfusi jika blood loss-nya terlalu banyak. Oke, makasih.